Microsoft Excel is the topic we'll be looking at today, and we'll be beginning right away with the introduction. So Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application used to tabulate, manipulate, and present data. So by spreadsheet, I mean it's like a table having rows and columns. I guess you're familiar with that, right? In Microsoft Excel, the point where the row and the column meet is called a cell, and data is entered into cells. Alright, let's talk about the latest versions. For Windows, the latest version in Microsoft Excel, as at the time of making this video, is 2019, Microsoft Excel 2019. Then if you go down a little bit, you have Microsoft Excel 2016. If you go down a little bit, you have Microsoft Excel 2013, and then you have Microsoft Excel 2010. For Mac, the latest version is Microsoft Excel 2019, then you have Microsoft Excel 2016, and then you have Microsoft Excel 2011. Also, we have the Microsoft Excel 365, which is a part of the Microsoft Office 365, which offers you a subscription model annually, and it gives you extra functionalities and access to updates which you don't necessarily get when you use the other versions by year, right? And your files are accessible online as well if you use the Microsoft Excel 365. So whether you use the most recent version or you use the older versions, the truth is that almost all the features are the same, just with minor changes. And this Excel tutorial video that will be starting very soon from the next video will focus on those features that are similar to all of them. And so even if you use the older version or the newest version, you will still be able to follow through. So before we jump right into the training, let's take some few seconds and look at why Microsoft Excel is very important and why you should learn it. So major advantages. So the first major advantage here is easy data storage and organization. It helps you store your data easily and helps you organize it into the right columns. So you have data about your employees. You can organize them into first name, last name, gender, date of birth, and organize it into any order you want. Right? It helps you perform complex calculations, which you're going to be seeing much more later in the video. And the third one is the accuracy of calculations. Microsoft Excel offers you high degree of accuracy that you may not get when you compute manually, right? So all you need to do is just enter in your data and it auto computes it for you, right? And you are rest assured that the result is very correct and accurate if you've entered in the formulas properly. So another advantage here is it offers you a robust graphical report in terms of charts. So you can actually visualize your data in charts, in a pie chart, in a line chart, in a bar chart, which will be seen in videos that will be coming up in this tutorial series. It provides you data security with password, so you can actually lock access to your data and prevent unauthorized access. All right. Another one is data recovery when lost. Microsoft Excel gives you the ability to recover your data even when you think it has been lost. Now, finally, on the major advantage I put down here is that it can help you to plan and to strategize. I do this a lot, use Microsoft Excel in planning how I want my financial months to be, maybe upcoming months to be, plan how my schedules the next coming months or my schedules the next coming week is going to be. So it gives you this leverage to do whatever you want to do in terms of planning. So if you are a planner, you're a strategist, Microsoft Excel is for you. So now over to the more specific uses. For business people, Microsoft Excel is very handy in managing income and expenses. Also, you can use Microsoft Excel in building prediction sheets. I've done this a lot for myself. Sometimes I just want to monitor how maybe the stock market is going to be, or how some certain businesses I'm investing into is going to work out. Then I just build up a sheet that helps me predict based on past data or based on the data I enter. All right. So another specific use here is that it can be used for computing student results. So if you own a school or you're a teacher, Microsoft Excel is also very handy in computing results. So finally, this may interest you. What kind of jobs require Microsoft Excel, or what kind of job can you get if you know how to use Microsoft Excel effectively and efficiently? So the first one here is Microsoft Excel is used by financial analysts and bankers. All right. If you're in the financial sector, Microsoft Excel is your friend. Next one is by accountants and auditors. Next one is by office clerks. Next one is by business managers and owners. So if you own a business, you manage a business, Microsoft Excel is your number one go-to application. Next one is by project managers. Next one is by school teachers, teaching assistants, school owners. I've said a lot about this, managing results and attendance and a whole lot of other information in the school. And also by retail store owners and sales personnel. So this is not the end of the list of people who can make use of Microsoft Excel. The list is endless. Actually, if you work with data, your business has to do with data, what you do has to do with data, Microsoft Excel is for you. So you may be wondering why Microsoft Excel, where there are other applications out there that can do the same purposes. But the truth is that most of those other apps and softwares, most of the time they get their records from Microsoft Excel. So that's why it's very important that at least you have a basic knowledge, a basic working knowledge in Microsoft Excel, or maybe perhaps other spreadsheet applications. So it's important to also say that this tutorial is also very helpful if you are not learning Microsoft Excel and you are learning other spreadsheet applications like the Google Doc, Google Sheets, and other spreadsheet-like applications as well. All right. So I want to encourage you to subscribe to this video, because the next video is the start of our Microsoft Excel basics, and we'll be getting right into this. See you in the next.